welcome to another workout of mine. Let's get into it. Well, right now I'm working on an application, right? So I will just continue in that. I'm building a simple stopwatch, which maybe I can use after finishing it instead of those timers. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, thank you, Piggy. Oh, come on. This will be high error rate. I can see it already. I hope I learn a lot. I already went outside of the tutorial. And I have 4 subscribers now. That's just speaking about something else. It's freaking unbelievable to me. But I haven't looked in the advertisement in front of the stream. I would like to disable it, if that's even possible. I don't feel like force people to watch advertisement. It feels weird, my right hand. I don't know why. Oh, come on. I also have a few ideas how to reprogram my keyboard. But it's still in the development stage in my head so far. Okay, what's the result? We have 12%. Okay, that could be better, but it's a good thing that I'm going forward, right? Like keeping with it. Come on. People really like you on your channel. Oh, well, maybe. Yeah, don't worry about that. Like seriously, don't worry about don't worry about it at all. I'm just talking about it because it's that's insane, you know, like some people actually did send me money, like real money, because they are looking at me. That's insane, right? So that's that's oh, come on. 26. Okay, and we are over width. Yeah, like you're earning some money by just streaming. Yeah. That's that's nuts. That's nuts. It's cool. It's cool. It's pretty cool actually. But it is insane. It is insane. It is insane. So we go into building the Java application. So stop the time. So what I'm doing here is a very simple stopwatch application, and currently it has all of the output into command line, right? So I don't know where did I end up. This is kind of like my to-do list. So here is the implementation, how I decided to you know, to which classes and which Java tools available I will use to implement it. And then I was doing the user specified time. Yeah. And so I have that here somewhere. It's called get input. Oh, and I can see that I did those, right? You can see that I have here I have this static method, get input, and here is something which I don't need anymore, the trick thingy. So I'll delete that. Then I initialize something which I will read to user input. Then this is the prompt in here. Maybe I can run it. So here it says input, you know, and it scans the whatever I put in, right? Here I have some regular expression, and I can start the timer, I guess, because we are already working on it. And here's a regular expression which says that the input which we are looking for on the line is in a format of some digit, well, digits, at least one number or more. And then we expect one of those characters inside there. H, M, S, both uppercase and lowercase, and only one. And for each of that match, which we find in there, well, here, this is helpful, and this is help thing when I'm figuring out how it works, right? So this thing is divided into groups. There is a one which is called 0, which is invisible, and I will demonstrate it. So I will put in. Well, it doesn't let me to input anything. That's weird. Oh, I know. Okay. 1, 2, 3, S, right? And I have some problem because I did not yet end the implementation of this. That's okay, we'll run it without it, just to demonstrate what we did last time. I'll rerun the application, and here we have the input. So I do 1, 2, 3, S, right? And here is what we, oh, it already runs, okay, cool. So here we have our matcher finds all of the matches in the line, right? And it it divides it into groups, which we can do. By default, like everything is group 0, you know, so that means digits and letters, those letters. Then we have this in the parentheses, and that is the group 1, and here is group 2, which is the single character. How they are numbered? Well, the entire thing are always 0, and then we go from left to right, counting from opening parentheses. So if we would have here like another expression, it would be D, and the expression would be 1. The expression here on by itself would be 2, and this, then this, and this thing would be 3. So revert the change, and what do we have? Yeah, so from this I know that the number will be in group 1, which we will find, and the letter will be in 2. Why is that useful for us? Because I want to have an input in a format something like this. It would be, I want set up 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And then I press enter, and the stopwatch would start with 2 minutes and 20 seconds on a clock. This is how it's meant to be. So currently I am building the interval here, which I just commented out because I have some problem in here and doesn't run. And we will return that duration, and we will use that duration to start our stopwatch. So let's try to find out what's the problem in here. I can uncomment everything in here. So basically, if we want, if the third thing found is S, we want add seconds, right? So I'm creating here the seconds, and oh, I see where's the problem. Here you see I'm trying to get integer from group 2, and the group 2 is this letter, right? We want group 1, so we'll change that. Here we go, and here's the same thing. Okay, cool. Now we have a seconds, we have a minutes, and we are missing hours. 3 hours. And to the interval, which we will return, we will add a new, hey, let's get. Guess what happens? I'm affiliate. I have a, you hate switches? Oh well, why? I have 4 freaking subscribers, would you believe that? Easy to mess up, oh yeah. Yeah, for example, when you are talking about it, I just messed up this one. Here should be break, or otherwise, after setting up minutes, we would set up hours too. So thank you for reminding me about that. It was really helpful right away. Do a map. You would do a map of string to integer. Well, the thing is that I want, like, depending on what I get in here, I will be calling different methods, right? I will be calling duration of seconds, or duration of minutes, or duration of, you know, hours. Okay. Teacher parse group 1. Just for good measure. So we don't need those. Delete this. So Muscat is saying a map of string to integer. Okay, so what I want to do here, so we are setting up the duration. Well, the function actually, not consumer MB. Okay, I'll wait. This comment we will leave here, and I want print out what we got from user input. We got duration. So, and hopefully we will get what we did input in it. All right. So we do 1 hour, 2 minutes, 3 seconds. Okay, I'm not sure if. So we got PT3S. It says 3 seconds. So we might have a. Oh, because I'm setting it up and I should edit. It was something different. I'm doing the wrong thing in here. So maybe red wall dot plus. Yeah, this is the thing. Plus, and I should add this to. Oh, this is not nice at all. So we will extract this. I have a code which repeats itself here 3 times, right? So duration of seconds, yes. And oh, come on. Can you, why didn't you find everything in there? So let's try this. Maybe because I'm already. Okay, so we do. Oh, that's not. Oh, I know. My mistake. I want just the number extract. So yeah, the parse int and all three occurrences. And this will be not second, but it will be parsed number we got. Right, and we can here add to the return value. Dot add to, and this should be it. So it requires temporal and provided is duration. I thought that it inherits the temporal, it implements temporal amount. Okay, so it implements temporal amount, and the temporal amount, okay. Get units, get, okay, so maybe what was required in there? They want temporal. Is there a, like, oh damn it, is there a solution for me? Change variable to temporal? What about that? Okay, so what this wants? This one's temporal, right? And we are providing this, so we want get what about, well, this work like this? Okay, we'll have a look. So, oh wow. Yes, but still, this will be useful. I did not know you can do that. Okay, so, well, first of all, it doesn't have to be this big. I can read it here as well. So here's a timer, which is a function. And it fills the map. Function is an inline defined method that takes one argument and returns one value. Do in this case something that takes an int and returns duration. And that is duration of ours. Ah, so you're doing to lowercase group from regex. Okay. To lowercase. We return that, otherwise we return null. This is O1. Oh yeah, and when a ton of case statements. How is that? And that's still, oh yeah, because the ton of statements is ON, right? where n is the case, each case, the number of cases. Right? Do I get it right? But I like this. This looks. It's function. What is this? Okay, it is a map and it contains a string and it contains some kind of function. I understand that. Time retrieval map. Good. Now the function. Oh, this will be input and this is output, or what if I have a multiple inputs? So the last, is it that the last generic is the return thing always? I have two arguments instead of one. You can make by function too. Yeah, and I would do it just by adding like integer, comma duration. Is that how it works? You have to create your own custom try function or something. Okay. See. Represents function that accepts one argument and produces a result. This is a functional interface. Oh, so we have a by function here. You mentioned that, right? Yeah, you did. The double by function. Operator. Okay, so, wow, there's so much I don't know in Java. There's so much I don't know. I'm such a noob. That's horrible. that's horrible. This is one of the main reasons I love Java 8. Because of the function interface. Yeah, like switch to the Java 8 and later seems to be like a big jump, you know, like I mean a lot of things changed. That's what I mean. Or well, more precisely, more very different things were added. I think I like your solution more. And consumer does not return anything but takes an argument, and supplier method that takes no arguments. Ah, see, it'll be here, right? There's a consumer that accepts two input arguments and returns no result. I see. And then we have a supplier here represents a supplier of, and okay, it doesn't say here, but maybe if I click on it, from lambda expression or method interface, turns result. Okay. I want to study some more. Oh, why don't you? There we go. This looks really smart. So this is a private field. Now that's. I'm glad you did actually. Because I have opportunity to learn something. So actually, thank you. So this is the private field where we have we'll return the function, right? Or we can call it, I guess. And here, if we get the right key, which is H, S, or M, all lower or uppercase, then we will return. We'll get. Yeah, that thing, and then we have this apply, and oh yeah. So here. Oh, okay. I see. Wow, it's like it looks really like functional programming, like more similar to what you will find in JavaScript. I remember you can do apply in JavaScript as well. I like that. I think because now it's almost time over for this period of like training code or doing that. So I will do that in the next round, which will be in 5 minutes or so. Cool. That's actually. Hey, Orkson. Yeah. Okay. So stop the timer.